Sometimes it's helpful to split a large game flow into smaller parts for better structure and control. In version 1.1.0, you can now nest game flows inside other game flows as blocks. To open a game flow graph, simply double-click on a game flow asset. The editor window will appear. To assign or open a nested game flow, just double-click on a game flow block inside the graph. From there, you can either select an existing game flow or create a new one, just like you would in Toolbar, particularly Tools, MKM Tools, GameFlow Engine, Flow Graph. Use the toolbar to reload the current graph or open another one in a separate window for multitasking. Press 1 to run the first minigame. Or 2 to run the second.